Lamaphoyisa amabili adutshulwe ashona ngesikhathi ephuma ukuyolanda umsolwa ebeyovela enkantolo yemantshi eRoodepoort ngesithuba zokugamanxa kwehora leshumi ekuseni.
We can confirm that two of our police officers were shot and killed this morning at around 10:30 in this road here in Roodepoort. So they are both the detectives. They are attached to our trio task team.
Ukhulumela amaphoyisa eGoli uMavela Masondo uthi ngeke bakushiye ngaphandle ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi kukhona ebebelandela le moto ngenhloso yokuhlenga umsolwa. Kodwa bavula amacala okubulala kanye nokuthungathwa komsolwa oweqile emva kwalesigameko kanti kuthathwe nezibhamu zamaphoyisa.
So for now we opened a case of murder with 2 counts and we've launched a manhunt for the suspect. We've got our members from DPCI, we've got the Deputy Provincial Commissioner responsible for crime detection, Major General Muso Khumalo, who's leading the team.
Lomsolwa obeyovela enkantolo ngamacala okubamba inkunzi isitolo.
In this incident, the suspect was arrested for a business robbery that occurred here in Roodepoort in 2023. And what we can confirm is that the suspect is a Zimbabwean national. His name is Jabulani Moyo. That is the suspect that we are looking for.
Osibonele uyachaza ngendlela esenzeke ngayo lesigameko.
Kufike imoto private car yafika yama lana mayima ayikho into esinotisile ukuthi bekukhona ukulwa phakathi kwalabantu. Kodwa into esiyesayibona siyesabona omunye makehla kwaqala ukudubulwana ke oyi1 lo odonse lo muntu waqala ukumdubula enhloko so igazi lakhe la yehla ligcwele la kulamanzi ngoba uwele lapha ezikwalamanzi phambi kwegate legarage.
Amaphoyisa asenxuse noma ngabe ubani onolwazi ngalesigameko ezenganeno emaphoyiseni.